Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming power and connection basics. This saves time. First, remove and reseat batteries or plug in a charged USB cable so the controller has steady power. Once done, fully power cycle the console, shut down, wait 10 seconds, and restart to clear transient USB or Bluetooth locks. Next, reduce interference by switching off nearby Bluetooth speakers or wireless peripherals. This prevents pairing conflicts and helps isolate whether the issue is hardware, firmware, or radio-related. You now verify inputs and update firmware to address software faults. Plug the controller into the console with a known good USB cable. If inputs respond, the radio or batteries were likely the cause. While wired, check for and apply any controller firmware updates. These fix button mapping and drift issues. Once updated, disconnect and perform a fresh wireless sync. Press the sync button on the console and hold the controller sync until the lights flash. Make sure to use a short, undamaged cable for reliable testing. You finish by addressing hardware faults and validating success. Carefully clean the charging port and battery contacts with 90% plus isopropyl on a Q-tip to restore solid connections. Dust or corrosion often breaks signals. If buttons or sticks still fail, consider replacing the joystick module or springs. These are common wear items. Then reassemble and test wired first, then wireless. If problems persist, plug the controller into a PC or another console to determine whether the controller itself is defective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.